Welcome to this tutorial on the AceToolz OCR PDF tool. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, and this tool transforms scanned documents into searchable, selectable PDFs. You can find the OCR PDF tool under PDF Tools in the navigation menu at the top of the AceToolz homepage. This is the OCR PDF tool interface. Let's start by uploading a scanned document. The OCR PDF tool adds an invisible text layer to your scanned PDFs, making them fully searchable and allowing you to select and copy text that was previously logged in image format. Next, select your document's language from the drop-down. We support several languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, and more. Please note that some non-ASCII languages like Hindi may have rendering issues in PDF format, which is why Word document or plain text output formats are recommended for these languages. For this demonstration, we'll use English as the language and PDF as our output format. Now, you have the option to select the page range you want to process. You can choose first 10 pages for quick processing, all pages to process the entire document, or custom to specify exactly which pages you need. For this demo, I'll select all pages. Now let's click the Process PDF button. The OCR processing will take a few seconds to complete depending on your document size and page count. Perfect. Our OCR processing is complete and we can now download the result. The output PDF now has a searchable text layer, meaning you can search for keywords, select text, and copy content just like a regular PDF. Please note this tool uses AI for OCR processing, so there may be occasional errors in the final output. Always review the results for accuracy. Try it out at acetools.com. Thank you for watching.